Hi there, this is Paul from the Automation Bundle team. Now, with Automation Bundle, you're getting a fully integrated powerhouse suite of the world's top-selling marketing and business automation software tools. It will help you automate everything, right from lead generation, email marketing, video creation and editing, graphic design, Facebook and social media marketing, webinar marketing, traffic generation, local marketing and consulting, and search engine optimization, and a whole lot more. You're getting 12 powerful apps for the price of one. Automation Bundle gives you the power to fully automate every critical task you need to help grow your business and your profits. You can now save thousands of dollars every month in expensive software licenses, subscriptions, and training by having every tool you will ever need in one easy-to-use dashboard. Automation Bundle will allow you to replace many, if not all, of the tools that you currently use and pay monthly subscriptions majority of the time, and save you thousands of dollars every single month, and gives you unlimited access, which most of those tools don't. Now, if you compare directly Automation Bundle with the other platforms, what you see is incredible value. Imagine never having to pay $539 a month for GoToWebinar, as we have an unlimited webinar automation platform included. Or imagine not having to pay $240 a year for Photoshop, as we have a vector graphic design tool included as well. Or even $249 for Camtasia Studio, or $199 a month for MailChimp, as both full-fledged video editing that Camtasia does and unlimited email marketing app like MailChimp is included for a low one-time fee. This is just the tip of the iceberg, as if we really tally it all together, you're saving over $1,300 a month, as you can see here, that you're getting for just a low one-time fee. Everything is included with step-by-step training, so you are never left behind. Automation Bundle will be the last software bundle you will ever need. Now, let me pass it on to my partner Todd, where he will go more in depth with what each of these tools do and how you can really benefit from them.
Let's start off the tour with a top-selling product that I developed with Bravin Technologies. It's called Designo Pro 2. Now, Designo Pro 2 is a dynamic, easy-to-use vector graphics design app. It is perfect for creating super cool images and logos for websites. Easily create high-quality logos, headers, banners, and other images with just a few clicks of a mouse. No special skills are necessary. Now, Designo Pro 2 retails for as much as $30. Next, we have Mail Primo. And get this, Mail Primo, created by Dr. Amit Parikh, is actually a complete cloud-based autoresponder platform. You can send unlimited emails to your lists with no monthly subscription fees and or limitations. It's a proven, fully CAN-compliant app that gives you 100% control of your lists and subscribers. You get several state-of-the-art tools and templates which are proven to increase open and click rates, and with no additional work or expense. Mail Primo retails for as much as $87.95. Next, there is SendLab. SendLab was created by Joshua Zamora. It's a powerful app that automatically syndicates posts, videos, memes, and other content to over 30 plus different social media sites and channels, so you could get fast search rankings and tons of new visitors. No special skills or knowledge is needed to use this app. Just follow a few easy steps, then click a button, and SendLab, it does the rest. It's super easy to use and could help get your site ranking higher on Google in as little as 48 hours. SendLab retails for as much as $97. Canvas by Dropmock is next, and wait until you hear what this does. It's the easy way to create super slick and professional Facebook video cover images with no special skills needed. And with the included agency license, you could start profiting on day one by offering marketers and businesses alike a killer video cover for their own Facebook pages. And that means a powerful new revenue stream for you with no outsourcing or expensive software needed. Canvas by Dropmock currently retails for as much as $47. Then there's Chit Chat Chimp by Simon and Jeremy, and that's a great app to help boost sales, increase subscribers, and much more by tapping into the power of automated chatbots on your sites and landing pages. Once you set up your dynamic chatbots in just minutes, they can automatically help visitors make buying decisions, handle any sales objections to boost conversions, offer upsells and cross-sells that complements your buyer's purchases, provide personalized recommendations, offer discount or promo codes to help close sales, provide real-time support, and get feedback and insights from your visitors to help you improve, and much, much more. Chit Chat Chimp currently retails for as much as $197 per year. The next is one of my favorites. It's Live Reel from Abby Davidi. It allows you to simultaneously broadcast your live videos on over 15 video platforms and a whole lot more. You could actually broadcast live across Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Periscope, Twitch, Mobcrush, and several other video and social media channels. You could also add elements like lower thirds, backgrounds, multilingual closed captioning, and much, much more. Live Reel currently retails for as much as $37.95. Then there's HQ Webinar by Madhav Dunna, and that lets anyone profit from live or recorded webinars using a state-of-the-art peer-to-peer webinar platform, even if you're a total newbie. You can rerun recorded webinars as live webinars with total ease. You get unlimited attendees, unlimited webinar broadcasts, and much, much more. You can also easily run live or recorded webinars for high-paying clients, too. It easily integrates with WordPress, Shopify, Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, and many, many other platforms. HQ Webinar currently retails for as much as, get this, $97 per month. Visually from Mo Latif and Brett Ingram is a proven social media marketing dynamo that delivers you targeted traffic 100% free, and you get that app too. It allows you to create stunning visual content that delivers just the right messages to social media audiences so you can attract, engage, and convert visitors into customers with total ease and with no ad costs. You get fully customizable visual templates along with the system that will get your content going viral almost instantly. In just a few minutes each day, you can increase traffic and engagement to your sites and social media, resulting in more leads and sales. It's that simple. Now it's easier than ever to deliver fresh, attention-grabbing content to the masses on complete autopilot. Visually currently retails for as much as $30. Next, we have Sell in Messenger by Jay Sharma and Saransh, and this is huge. It allows you to sell products, services, and add-ons easily through Facebook Messenger. You convert raw visitors into leads and subscribers automatically, and with no additional work once you set everything up. Sell in Messenger chats, engages, and helps you profit from your Facebook page and website visitors on autopilot. Just set it and forget it. You can even use it to leverage Facebook Messenger as your own customer help desk and much, much more. Sell in Messenger currently retails for as much as $97 per year. Easy Spokesperson Creator by the one and only Matt Bush is next. It allows you to create stunning human spokesperson videos with dozens of customizable options. You could choose from dozens of professional spokespersons, including me. You could create amazing HD commercials ready to sell for $100 to $300 each to local businesses and clients. Easy Spokesperson Creator is an amazing piece of software, and it's included in our package. It retails at around $27. And then there's the top-rated Video Builder by Paul Pona and myself. It's a powerful 3D animated avatar creator coupled with a dynamic, flexible, and full-featured video editor. It gives you a total solution to creating attention-grabbing, killer 3D animated and live-action videos with human or animated avatars. Video Builder harnesses the latest technology that takes 3D animation and text-to-speech to entirely new levels. And best of all, it's easy to use with zero learning curve. Video Builder currently retails for as much as $47.
So now that you have seen the true power of Automation Bundle, why not give it a try and check it out for yourself? You have a full 30 days, no questions asked money back guarantee to take complete advantage of all the tools, as you're getting instant and unlimited access to everything. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside.